Audio Jungle.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back on my channel, Crypto Victoria. So, guys, officially Trump official mega drop is now launched on Vex. So, here is our Trump ads Vex on here. Guys, we have Vex listed Trump official series token here, and here I tell you about Trump market review of the series token. As you know, our market cap is now reached 4.5 billion already, and it's go to more high. Here I will tell you about each and everything about Wax list on Trump official series token. There is Trump official mega drop, guys. So you have to join here right now. 1 billion USD here after 12 days, 1 hour, 5 minutes, and 16 seconds. Before starting their further review, I would request if you are new on my channel, Crypto Victoria, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for my further amazing videos notification. As you know that I always come with an amazing and interesting platforms for my viewers and audience. Here is more rewards, more benefits for my viewers. So you have to must join here. And I have placed all of the official links of Vex in my video description. And there is an affiliate link of my registration link where you can get a lot of profits rewards by using my affiliate link which I have placed in my video description. So I have to say something that I am not your financial advisor. Do your own research before any investment, and I am not responsible for your any profit or loss here. So guys, here is we have started our event on 19th January to 31st January on 2025 at UTC 8. So here is a lot of eligibilities for new users who have to register during link event to the participate. You win 100 Trump official coin here. You have to just do a simple task. You have to deposit some USDT and you can get a lot of rewards here. So you have to simply sign up at this. How you have to sign up? You have to put your email or phone number, and you can also use referral code here I have placed in my video description. And then guys, you can also there earn a lot of welcome rewards by simple signing up. There is around daily spin to spin here is available. 101% win rate is get see now here, and here is a lot of rewards for the audience who use this. And guys, here is a Trump trends to at Vex here. As I tell you already, our market cap is now reached 4.5 billion. So this is the next big profit opportunity in the Trump series here. And Trump hits new highlights. Vex launches on Trump officials. And guys, we have to just focus on overall our excitement surrounding the Trump series of meme coins. And guys, as I tell you about our market potentials, and these token is now under like series Trump officials boosted by Trump popularity. So Trump series may have endless possibilities, guys. And here we have to this Trump series stay ahead of the curve. Vex launches on this meme token Trump officials, and guys, we are ongoing both. So if Trump has taken center stage, our token is rapidly gaining transactions, making them ideal for short-term gains. So this is the Trump series fuels blockchain boost and Wax get you on the actions. If you have missed Trump, so guys, don't be worried. There is a Trump series token still hold opportunities for my audience. So here is for our users who missed out Trump guide towards they have to now officially join Trump official if they have missed Trump. And here is a lot of big success story and in the still series from Trump officials. So here you have to join here, guys, and so you have to just guys join here as Vex listed on Trump official. Unlock the potential of Trump series token. And guys, here we have two positions at we you have to must watch is that's meme coin in the space, and you can check it out our all performance of Trump series token. And guys, Trump series token is now trending, and Vex help you seize this opportunity. So you have to stay tuned here. You have to join here. And guys, these are the some event rules where you have to read this. You have new users can participate by link without any additional any application, no KYC verifications. Total trading volume here you can check it out, including all of the trading pairs. And share rewards will be distributed in first come first serve basis that strictly monitors all of the participations reserves, and these are the all of our rules instructions which you have to check out when you are joined when you participate here. And guys, Vex reserve right to modify the terms including not limited to cancelling, extending, and holds final interruptions rights here. So there are some important bonuses also here, guys, where you can check out your bonuses which you get here. So if you join, you get more profits in future in upcoming days. So now it's on to you. You have joined here and you have to earn a lot of profits here. So this is our Telegram community, guys, where you have to join, and this is our app which you have to download. And here is our Twitter official account too, guys. This is our Twitter account where you have to join for our further latest updations and announcement about Vex here. So you have to join here, guys, for this amazing rewards because you get a lot of profits here. So I hope you like my video. See you next video. Thanks for watching, guys, and you have to don't miss this. You have to join Vex on Trump official mega drop right here. So stay tuned with me and see you next video. Thanks for watching.